Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can dispute a charge on Capital One card. So before you file a dispute, you will have to confirm the charge is posted. A pending transaction can't be disputed because the amount may change or drop off your account entirely. You can only report a problem with the transaction once the transaction has been posted, which is generally within about 5 days. And then you will of course have to contact the merchant and have your paperwork on hand. And then after that, what you will have to do is go to your Capital One app and then or website, and then you will just have to log in basically, and then you will tap account section, and then you will select your credit card, and then you will click transactions and select the transaction that you would want to dispute. Tap dispute transaction and choose a reason and tap submit. And you will receive a confirmation and Capital One will begin investigating. And when you file a dispute, you will need to file the dispute within the 90 days of the transaction date. But if the 90 days have passed, you can still file a dispute by calling the number on the back of your card. And while you may file a dispute at any time, it's not guaranteed that you will win your claim. And yeah, that's basically it. And I really hope that you found this video helpful. And if you did find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.